Hello friends, let's draw a cute panda. First, let's draw a... Next, let's draw the eyes. We will use circles to make eyes. Follow me as we draw the panda together. Let's draw the next eye also. Let's draw an oval shape to represent the other portion of the face. Now let's add circles to represent the ears of the panda. Now let's use ovals to make the nose. Next, let's draw the hand using another oval. Time to complete the leg portion. Let's add a cute smile to the panda. Wow! Our cute little panda is ready. Let's color the panda now. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share your panda drawing with your friends and family.